Hello, everyone. My name is Braemon Conville, and today I'll be providing some insight into my research, where I'm monitoring the response of passerine birds to ephemeral water sources on southeastern Vancouver Island. Ephemeral water systems in BC are susceptible to even the most minuscule changes in climate, which may bring about changes in temperature and precipitation, subsequently disrupting the fundamental biological role these water sources play. Ephemeral water sources are temporary in nature, and passerines rely on them for daily activities such as cleaning, thermoregulation, and drinking. The objective of my study was to utilize the observational capability of camera traps to document the influence of small ephemeral water sources on the movement and behavior of passerine birds. I sought to determine the importance of such water sources by measuring passerine visitation and species richness at camera sites equipped with small water assemblages. I conducted my study within a contiguous area of forest located within the Vancouver Island University woodlot. The study area consisted of 30 camera sites overall, organized into 15 paired camera sites, each consisting of one site with a small tray full of water and one control site with the same water trap design but no water. Cameras at each site took trigger sets of 5 photos when they detected the presence of an animal. Camera sites were deployed and maintained for a 12-month period from October 2019 to October 2020. Preliminary results suggest that small water sources do influence the movement and behavior of passerines. On average, camera sites equipped with small water assemblages detected 48% more passerine birds as opposed to sites without water. Camera sites also detected 29% more passerine species than unwatered camera sites. Camera sites were heavily utilized by passerines in months where there was relatively low precipitation and warm temperatures, with the number of detections at camera sites significantly higher in these months. This suggests that small water sources are in fact more valuable when larger natural resources may be scarce. So to conclude, a changing climate in British Columbia will have wide-ranging impacts, and many small existing water bodies will eventually become too short-lived to contribute significantly to the biological communities relying on them for habitat, reproduction, and sustenance. Therefore, it's critical to understand the importance of these small water sources from a wildlife community perspective and how they influence the distribution and behavior of various animal taxa. Increasing our knowledge in this aspect will help us implement effective management strategies, which will hopefully contribute to the safeguarding of this resource in anticipation of future climate scenarios. So I'd like to thank those that made this project possible, as well as those who contributed knowledge and time to the study before me. Paige Montero and Melissa Todd at the BC Ministry of Forest, Lands, Natural Resource Operations, and Rural Development, Jordan Appel and Jamie Gurrell at Vancouver Island University, and EPA Canada for covering a portion of my project funding. And of course, my trusty field assistant, Jacob Cook. Thank you.